Hi everyone, today we're gonna blow up a balloon with no blowing, not just like this. Not like that. Okay, that's enough laughing. Okay, not yet. Now, so we got these for this experiment. These these seezers, and then all you need is really seezers. There's a half seezer. There's two in this pack, so you need a full water bottle, not actually filled to the top. You can experiment a lot of times with you take it with smaller amounts of water or more seezer. So let's get started on this because I don't want to keep it waiting. So we have these seezers which we split in half. So we put them inside. We already put them inside. Then we put on top of this bottle right here. You can ask your parents for help if you need it. And make sure you have a adult position. And then Mama's right behind the camera. And then let's pour this in. And you don't need safety glasses, but we're just doing it for safety. Get it? Safety glasses. Safety. Come on, you. There. Is there two in there? Yeah, let's start. Still going. It's going. It's blowing. Now, while we're waiting for that to blow, we're going to try.
It already looks like a cat.
It looks more like a cat than a heart. It's supposed to be heart balloons. So,
maybe just
now,
it a different way. It looks like a cat on an angle.
We're going to try doing another one, but with just the exact same with just more water. So let's see if
it looks like its butt is sticking out.
That's funny. You're funny, Lily. You're funny.
And my name is Lily. It's so fat.
So fat. Whoa.
Sally, bring the water bottle to you.
Okay. We're going to continue this. Come on. That's the same problem with butt. Put subscribe again below and a thumbs up. Look at how quick that went up. Oh, sorry. Oh, there, I got my own. It's falling. Goodbye. And don't forget to hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye.